Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Starting a brand new Clash of Clans adventure can be really exciting, especially if you want to experience the game from the beginning again. Maybe you're looking to try new strategies, or perhaps you just want a second account to manage. Whatever your reason, creating a new village is straightforward, and we'll show you exactly how to do it for Clash of Clans in 2025, ensuring you don't lose any progress on your main base. The very first thing you need to do is disconnect your current Clash of Clans account. Head into the game, tap on the settings cog icon, and then locate the connected button right under the Supercell ID section. Once you're there, simply choose Log Out. This ensures your primary village is safely disconnected, paving the way for a brand new login experience without any mix-ups. After you've logged out, the game will prompt you to either log in with an existing Supercell ID or play without one. To create a completely fresh village, you'll want to select Play Without Supercell ID. This will immediately launch you into a brand new game right from the tutorial. Once that new village is up and running, make sure to connect it to a new, unique Supercell ID. This secures your fresh progress. Now that you have your new, unlinked village, it's crucial to secure it properly. Go back into your game settings from this new village. Tap on the Connect button and then select Register New. You'll be asked to provide a new email address that isn't already linked to a Supercell ID. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify the email. This links your brand new village to its very own Supercell ID, keeping it safe and accessible. Having multiple Clash of Clans accounts linked to different Supercell ID is incredibly convenient. To switch between them, simply open the game, go into your settings, and tap the Connected button for Supercell ID. From there, choose Log Out. Then, when prompted, select Log In with Supercell ID and you'll see a list of all your linked accounts. Just pick the one you want to play and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.